Essence! Woo! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a matte lip top coat by Essence, and I have found a lot of lipsticks that they have glossy or satin finish, and we will see if this little guy here will make them look matte. And I'm very excited. I don't have any other product like this. I don't know if this will work. I'm so excited to test it. I will also do some check-ins and a wear test at the end of the video. If you want to see more reviews from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. If you have a lipstick that you wish it was matte, maybe this is the solutions to all your dreams. Your lipstick dreams. I have lipsticks from a lot of different companies, so we can see if the matte lip top coat works on different formulas or it doesn't work at all. We will see. I also have the lip palette by Essence, my only one lipstick palette, and I will test one of the shades with the matte lip top coat. I have done lip swatches for the palette. I will link the video down below. I will start with a MAC lipstick. I have the colors Ravishing and Pink Pearl Pop, and these are from the collection Cremesheen, and this is how the colors look. This is Ravishing, so beautiful, and also Pink Pearl Pop, so cute, and they are both very moisturizing and comfortable on the lips, and I will use Ravishing for today. And if you want to see Pink Pearl Pop on another video, just let me know. So the description of the packaging says, apply lip top coat over cream lipstick for instant matte effect on any color. This is in the shade What's the Matter? This is how Ravishing looks, and as you can see, it has a satin finish, not a glossy finish. And I will apply the matte lip top coat only on half of my lips to see the difference. I will use a little bit on the back of my hand. Ooh, it was getting out of the box without me seeing it. So this is clear like a gel. This is a little bit thick and it doesn't have any scent. I will apply it with my finger. Let's see if it works. Okay, that's weird. Oh my god, it works. I will also apply it on the rest of my lips. That works instantly. I didn't believe it. I thought it would be a gimmicky product that doesn't work. So let's see if I press my lips, if the color separates or what's happening. The lipstick becomes very flaky, as we can see. I will try to blend it. It feels like you have a creamy lip balm on top of your lipstick. The problem is that it doesn't blend very nice with the lipstick. It looks uneven on the lips. It is comfortable on the lips, but it doesn't blend nice with this lipstick, so I will remove it and I will move on to the next lipstick. By the way, how beautiful is the Ravishing on the lips, guys. Perfection! The next one will be from Catrice Cosmetics. This lipstick is a disaster on my lips. It is very sloppy. It gets everywhere. It is always on my teeth. It is very slippery. So this is the Ultimate Color lipstick by Catrice Cosmetics in the color Hot and Spicy 430. And you can see that it is transferring on my teeth already. It makes the lips so luxurious, glamorous. The color is so beautiful and rich. The formula so comfortable on the lips, but it gets on the teeth. When I press my lips together, this lipstick doesn't separate. So let's apply the matte lip top coat to see if it can tame this mess. So with this one, that it is a more glossy lipstick, you can see that it's not so effective. I will apply a little bit more also with a brush to see if if it will work this way better. I'm taking, this is an Essence brush. I don't remember from which palette I have it. Maybe from the Create and Transform palette. It is definitely matter. What's the matter? I think that with the MAC lipstick it worked better. With the Catrice lipstick it's not completely matte. I will apply the top coat on the rest of my lips to see how it will blend. Also, I think that it makes the color less intense. So let's press our... Oh no! It still transfers on my teeth. If I press my lips together, the color becomes uneven again, and here you can see that it's not the same. I'm not giving up. I have some more lipsticks to test with this, and also I want to do a wear test. Let's move on to the next lipstick. I will use the Velvet Passion Matte Lipstick by Kiko Milano in the color 325, and it is a black lipstick. It says it is matte, but it's not, it is satin. This is also a slippery lipstick. It's not like the Catrice, but it is slippery. Why did I do that? I just wanted a swatch. This smell horrible. These are the new Nivea makeup wipes with micellar water. These are not good. These dry my skin. I just use them for now for the swatches that I do to the videos. The smell? Yucky. So, very professional explanation. Yucky, yucky. The packaging, I give it 10 out of 10. Fantastic packaging. The formula, yeah. When I press my lips together, the color gets a little bit uneven here, as you can see. It moves. It is a slippery formula too. That's also because I didn't use a lip pencil for a base or an eye pencil because it is black. So I will apply the top coat on half of my lips to see how it looks. I will apply again a little bit of product on the back of my hand, and I will apply it with my brush. I think it applies a little better when I use the brush. With this specific formula, it removes the lipstick when I apply it. It makes the color less intense also. I don't know if I should let it set for a little bit without pressing my lips, because I have no directions on the packaging. It just says apply it on top of cream lipstick. So that's the reason I don't have any liquid lipstick. So the weird taste that I had before, and I thought it was from the Catrice lipstick, it is from the top coat. It has like a sweet, chemically taste that you don't want to taste. So when I press my lips together, the formula gets more uneven. It doesn't look nice. It looks very patchy. I will wait for a few seconds. Maybe it will set on the lips and it will not move. So let's press now our lips together. No. Well, I think it doesn't move as much as before. It is still flaky and uneven on the lips, and you don't want to go out from the house like this. Not a good idea to apply black lipstick before the other colors. Unfortunately, I will use the makeup wipe. The taste is horrible. The next lipstick that I'm going to use is the Ultra Last Instant Color by Essence in the color Undress My Lips. This is not as slippery as the Catrice and the Kiko Milano. So let's see if it works with this one, that it is from the same family, by the Essence family. So this is how the lipstick looks on my lip. It looks like a moisturized lipstick. This is very comfortable on the lips, and I also have lip swatches of this lipstick and also a wear test. I will link it down below. And if I press my lips together, the color doesn't get uneven. As you can see, it is matte. It gets a little uneven. I will apply it all over my lips to see how it looks. So with this lipstick, it works better. If I press my lips together, the color doesn't separate. It is the only lipstick that worked with this top coat. Maybe they work because they are both by Essence. I can say I like it. It is matte. I don't like the taste. It is very sweet. Now I am wondering if it works also with the lip palette. So I will take this red lipstick because as I remember it was very glossy, and I will apply it with the same brush. So this is how the color looks on the lips. As you can see, this is a very juicy color and it is very shiny, and it is on my teeth again. The color stays even on the lips, and let's apply a little bit of top coat. Okay, as we can see, it makes the color less intense. If I press my lips together, the color separates here. With the specific color, it didn't work. I will apply again the Ultra Last Instant Color Lipstick, and I will leave that for the wear test. On my lips right now, I have applied a different color, and this is the Ultra Last Instant Color in the color Fancy Blush. So the winners of the lipstick battle are the Ultra Last lipsticks by Essence! Woo! Hi guys, it's been 5 hours and let's see what happened with the top coat. So as you can notice, I have changed the color of my lips and now I have undressed my lips, because when I applied the lip top coat on top of Fancy Blush, it was very similar to my own lip color, and I was thinking that after my wear test we wouldn't be able to see if the color was uneven, because it would be the same with my lip color. So I changed the color and this is more intense. As you can see, I didn't lose a lot of intensity of the color. I still have everywhere color. It is just a little bit less intense on the inner part of the lips. In fact, I have a wear test about these lipsticks, and they lasted on me 6 hours and they were not looking like this. And the lip top coat, I think, somehow made this lipstick long lasting. My lips look like they are dehydrated. They are not completely dry. You feel like you have a balm on your lips, but not a moisturizing balm. It is a weird texture. It is like I cannot fully feel my lips, and I don't like that. Also, I don't like the taste. It is a very sweet artificial taste. In these 5 hours I ate a sandwich. I didn't use a fork, and I also ate carrot cake, and I drank a lot of water without a straw, so I didn't try to make the color last on me. I was exactly the opposite, and it stayed. This is €2.45, but is it worth it? So for me, I didn't like it because it makes the lipsticks less intense. Also, I don't like the taste. The taste is so weird for me. I don't like it. And I also don't like that it doesn't work with a lot of lipsticks. If your lipstick is a little bit slippery or more glossy, it will not work with this one. Also, I'm impressed that it didn't work with my MAC lipstick because it is not slippery, it is not very glossy. Actually, it is very comfortable on the lips, and I thought it would work very well with this one, but it didn't. It became like a weird pasty flaky thing on my lips. Not nice. Also, with something very glossy like the Catrice lipstick, it doesn't work. So this is not expensive, but also it is not free. So do you think it is worth your money? I think I will not use it again because I didn't like the taste. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want to see more lipstick reviews, and also let me know if you want me to review something specific in the comments below. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!